work at, work for, work in, work with. How to use them? Hello everyone, welcome to MK Learning. In today's video I will tell you how to use these words. Let's get started. Work at. Work at is used for a company or specific name of company. For example, I used to work at IBM. Work for. Work for is used for a person. For example, I worked for Tom Cruise. I was his PR manager. Work in. Work in is used for a place, department, genre, industry, city or country. For example, I used to work in China. Work with. Work with is used for people or things. For example, let's make a sentence. He is software engineer. He works with computers. Thank you for watching MK Learning. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos.